Here we are in Gibsons, BC, and we are going to spend a couple days here. We are going to head to a local shop and get a new carb kit for our tender motor, and being on the dock will allow us to top up the water tanks, as well as we'll get the chance to check out Gibsons and check out Molly's Reach, which is the famous restaurant in the show from, I think it was the 80s, Beachcombers. So we just had a 40-minute walk to go to a place called, what's it called, Preston, again?
All Parts Industrial.
Oh, thanks, Allison. All Parts Industrial and Marine to get our carb kit.
Yeah.
Should we show them, Preston? You want to pull it out of the backpack?
Sure.
And so it was $100. You get the float, an O-ring, some screws.
Is it in here?
Yeah, it's in there. Let's have a look, see what we got in here.
$99.
All right, so this is it. So yeah, in here you got, there's the float, some sort of a seal. Oh, the little pin. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, all these little parts, we're gonna try not to drop those in the ocean. And we may have a dinghy again. So, a working dinghy motor, I suppose. We have a dinghy. But anyways, nice, beautiful day here in Gibsons. It's a really nice town. And all the amenities, we just walked by a Starbucks without even getting a coffee. Crazy. But Preston wants to check out the electric cars, so we're gonna walk over here, and he's 12 now, turning 13 right away, so 3 years he wants his first car to be an electric one. So he's looking at, which one are you looking at?
I was looking at the Nissan Leaf.
The Nissan Leaf. So.
There's a lot of them here.
Ah, cool. So, yeah. Well, we found them. Here they are. We have a Chevy Spark, VW e-Golf, and then the Leaf. They're a little out of Preston's budget at the present time. But 3 years maybe, hey buddy?
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite?
Probably I don't know, the Golf's really nice, but if I got this one, I wouldn't be complaining.
No, I wouldn't complain either. That one was pretty awesome. So, all right, look at this palm tree. All right, thinks that we're really good at videos. Don't you still, Ray? All right. And this is what Preston does every chance he can when there's free Wi-Fi. Preston. We're just waiting for Allison.
to come so we can go to Molly's, the famous place where they shot Beachcombers at Gibsons. It's a short walk from the marina. We'll show you around once we're there. Look who finally decided to join us. What's gross?
Bottled water.
You don't like bottled water?
No, I mean like the concept.
You don't like the whole concept?
Yeah.
What do you like?
We have water bottles.
So, you don't like people using plastic for water bottles?
It's like downtown.
They have good stuff in here, right?
Oh, and what do we see? There it is, the Persephone.
Here, gee, stand right there, guys. I'll take your picture.
I think there's a good spot probably on the other side. I'm thinking. Oh, that's it.
But I've got to make sure I
And here it is.
You should actually make a coolest award.
Molly's Reach.
I know.
Hey guys.
It's funny, we wasted time taking pictures because
See, I knew Mom was biased.
I just like uppercutted PJ. That's felt good.
Oh, muffin. That hurt. He uppercutted me and then he flicked me right in
I
the
feel like
neck.
that flick was deserved though.
I feel like you're kind of stupid.
I'll feel your face with it. Knuckles in my hand. How about that?
Okay, to feel like for some beer arrive? Does that make you happy?
Said that PJ was putting the crap out of me and Dad just got like Dad was doing nothing except